Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Today we are going to make an end table out of this wooden crate. No, it's not that difficult, but it is something I wanted to share with you. And I thought though, as we do this, this would be the perfect time for us to do... What can you make with a crate? And from luxurious ABF Studios, it's America's favorite game show. What can you make with a crate?
Hello everyone, I'm your host Barbara Barking, and today on What Can You Make with a Crate, one lucky contestant will compete to win one of our fabulous prizes by making something out of a crate. Today's contestant is a woodworker from Georgia who enjoys Saturday Night Live, Facebook, and John Wayne movies. Please welcome Ricky from Apple Valley Farm. Here's how it works. You will pick a mystery project from one of these envelopes to see what you can make with a crate.
But what about the prizes? I thought they were like fabulous prizes.
You're right, Ricky. Today our prizes include a new car. So, Ricky, what do you say? Are you ready to play What Can You Make with a Crate?
Sure.
Okay, let's get started. So, Ricky, which envelope do you choose?
No. Okay, this one. Let's see, right?
Yeah?
Okay, I'm gonna open it, and it's
Looks like you got an end table. Okay, Ricky, you've got just 3 minutes to make an end table with a crate. Are you ready?
yes.
All right, you go get changed. 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. Measure off 8 inches here, here. All right. Blue. Good blue. Put our shelf in. Put a little glue in here. Yes. I think I'm gonna make it. It feels fantastic. I cannot wait to drive out of here in my brand new car.
Funny you should mention that, Ricky. We're all out of new cars today, but you will not be leaving here empty-handed. We're going to give you this premium, gently used tape gun for all your taping needs.
This is a bunch of crap. I want my new car. Where's my new car?
I told you we're out of new cars.
Hey, you guys called me up and you said, hey, come and do this. I said, no, I want to be on this lame show. You said, come on. I said, all right, I will. What's the deal, Jack? I'll tell you what I'm going to do with this tape. We'll tape your mouth shut.
No. What can you make with a crane that's not responsible for any injuries?